太可怕！啊！天哪！对啊，这个方向是不用吹油门的。它两个是吹油门。如果撑雨伞有用，看那个油门。
July 6th, 2025, Taiwan is under siege as Typhoon Danas barrels through the region, lashing southern parts of the island with hurricane-force winds, torrential rain, and towering waves. Having strengthened into a moderate typhoon equivalent to Category 1, Danas arrived just off the coast with maximum sustained winds reaching 148 kilometers per hour, gusting even higher, triggering a wide array of emergency measures and disruptions. By 2 p.m. local time, the eye of the storm was located roughly 162 kilometers west of Kaohsiung. And by 4 p.m., the typhoon's violent outer bands began pounding the southern coastline, especially Kaohsiung and Pingtung, with waves climbing up to 7 meters. Meteorologists describe Danas as a small cannon typhoon, compact but potent, with warm ocean waters giving it the energy to potentially intensify further before landfall. The Central Weather Administration has issued warnings for both land and sea across 18 counties and cities, from New Taipei to Yilan, as the typhoon continues its slow northeastward march. Current projections suggest that Danas will make landfall late tonight or early tomorrow, likely between Kigu District and Changhua. If the storm strengthens as predicted, it may reach Category 2 strength, making the landfall even more devastating. In terms of damage, Taiwan is already experiencing severe disruption. 48 disaster incidents have been logged, with at least 9 people injured. In Kaohsiung, a community signboard and construction curtain were ripped off by gusts, while a public staircase in Gushan transformed into a waterfall from relentless rainfall. Across Taitung, Hengchun, and Taiwan's mountain regions, cumulative rainfall is expected to exceed 350 millimeters in 24 hours, sparking landslide alerts and flash flood warnings. Authorities have responded with swift emergency actions. Schools and offices have shut down across much of southern and central Taiwan, including Chiayi, Tainan, Yunlin, and Taichung. Evacuations are ongoing in landslide-prone regions such as Liugui, Maolin, and Namaja. Major tourist destinations and shopping centers have adjusted hours or closed early in anticipation of worsening conditions. Travel is also heavily impacted. Dozens of domestic flights operated by Mandarin Airlines and UNI Air have been canceled. While ferry routes to Kinmen, Green Island, and Orchid Island are entirely suspended. The Kinmen-Quanzhou route is shut for July 7th, affecting cross-strait travel plans. Looking ahead, Danas is expected to weaken as it crosses Taiwan's rugged terrain, especially the Shuishan Range, but it may still carry enough force to make a second landfall in China, particularly in Fujian province, bringing more heavy rains and localized flooding. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, Danas might briefly re-enter the Philippine Area of Responsibility, PAR, prompting one signal number 1 in Batanes, although impacts are expected to be mild. Even Hong Kong, located over 400 kilometers away, issued a T1 cyclone warning as a precaution. While only light showers and gusts are expected there, the wide reach of Danas underscores its formidable scale and unpredictability. As Typhoon Danas carves its way across southern Taiwan, it has already left a trail of floods, flight disruptions, coastal destruction, and public safety alerts. With potential for intensification and a second landfall in China, authorities remain on high alert.